Join me as I challenge myself to optimize a YouTube video for maximum views and growth in 2024, and see if I can crack the code to success. In today's digital landscape, if you want to increase your online presence and grow your audience on YouTube, you need to master the art of search engine optimization, or SEO. It's no secret that with millions of hours of content being uploaded every day, the competition is fierce, and visibility is key to standing out from the crowd. By optimizing your videos for search, you can significantly boost your visibility, drive more traffic to your channel, and ultimately, grow your audience. If you're like most creators, you've probably struggled to get your videos seen. You've poured your heart and soul into creating high-quality content, but despite your best efforts, your views and engagement have plateaued. The algorithm seems to be working against you, and you're left feeling frustrated and confused. You're not alone. Many creators face similar challenges every day. The ever-changing YouTube algorithm can be overwhelming, making it difficult to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. And let's be honest, the competition is cutthroat. With so many talented creators vying for attention, it's hard to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Furthermore, the algorithm is constantly evolving, throwing curveballs at creators left and right. One day you're doing great, and the next, your views have plummeted. It's like playing a game of whack-a-mole. Just when you think you've figured out the latest trick, the algorithm changes and you're back to square one. The truth is, the YouTube algorithm is a complex beast, and mastering it requires a deep understanding of how it works and how to optimize your content for maximum visibility. Another challenge creators face is the sheer volume of content being uploaded daily. With millions of hours of video available, it's easy to get lost in the noise. You need to find ways to rise above the competition and get your content in front of the right people. This is where SEO comes in. By optimizing your videos for search, you can increase your visibility, drive more traffic to your channel, and ultimately, grow your audience. Effective SEO strategies are crucial to getting your videos seen. One of the most critical steps in the process is keyword research. You need to identify the right keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for and incorporate them into your title, description, and tags. This helps YouTube understand the content of your video and rank it accordingly in search results. By using the right keywords, you can increase your video's visibility, drive more traffic to your channel, and ultimately boost your views and engagement. Optimizing your title and description is also critical to your video's success. Your title should be attention-grabbing and accurately reflect the content of your video, while your description should provide additional context and include relevant keywords. This helps YouTube understand the content of your video and rank it accordingly in search results. Additionally, using relevant tags can help your video appear in suggested videos, further increasing its visibility. One of the most powerful SEO tactics is leveraging video thumbnails and playlists. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when they come across your video, so it needs to be eye-catching and compelling. By using contrasting colors, bold text, and attention-grabbing imagery, you can entice viewers to click on your video and watch it until the end. Playlists are also essential to your video's success. By grouping related content together, you can increase engagement, drive more traffic to your channel, and ultimately boost your views. In addition to these strategies, there are many other SEO tactics you can use to increase your video's visibility and drive more traffic to your channel. From internal and external linking to annotations and cards, the possibilities are endless. The key is to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices, experiment with different strategies, and continually adapt to the ever-changing YouTube algorithm. In conclusion, SEO is critical to getting your videos seen on YouTube. By mastering the art of search engine optimization, you can significantly boost your visibility, drive more traffic to your channel, and ultimately, grow your audience. Remember, SEO is a constantly evolving field, and staying ahead of the curve requires ongoing effort and dedication. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite SEO tips and tricks for getting your videos seen on YouTube? Or if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on growing your channel and mastering the art of YouTube SEO.